Let's pack an order. Alright, let's pack a $400+ order for Andrea. This is going to be a long one and a quick one. Starting off with crystal cages in the bin. Now we got matches. We got 2 sandalwood. We got 2 hollyberry. We got 2 rain. And we got 2 bayberry. It's going to be smelling good up in there. Let's do all the silent night. We got.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought in.
Suvia night. We got tiger eye. And we picked a really nice malachite. Of course, amethyst. A beautiful Botswana agate from the bottom. Prehnite. Citrine. 2 of those. Ooh, all right, on to the next page. There's Jay again. All right, we got red jasper. We got fluorite. We got 2 opalite. We got a sodalite. We got a really nice snowflake obsidian. We got smoky quartz. We have 2 unikites. Oh gosh. And now we have 5 shungites. All right, everybody take a deep breath. Everybody breathe. All right, 5 shungites. There we go. All right. Now we got a flashy labradorite, a bloodstone, angelite. Oh my gosh, this is so much. Hematite, sardonyx. We got 2 of those. 2 rainbow moonstones. I make sure to grab something with a little bit of flash. 2 aquamarines. We got black obsidian, of course. We got blue chalcedony. We got black onyx. We got chrysocolla. We got blue tiger eye. And we got aura quartz. All right, last page. Let's do this. Okay, we got rose quartz. We got garnet. We got lepidolite. All right, let's do a black tourmaline. 3 of the medium desert roses. And 3 of the small desert roses. And we got a tourmalated quartz and a black kind.
Pack a 8-slice cookie pie box with me. Biscoff Gold Bar. Ferrero Pralini. Cookies and cream. Milky Bar Mousse. Strawberry Dream. Twix. Terry's Chocolate Orange. Salted Caramel Brownie. Let's wrap it up and make sure it gets to you safely.